Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Now, I have a couple things that I need to say. First of all, Jamaica is super hot. And speaking of hot, you guys see the title. I'm going to be taking you guys to one of the hottest talked about spots right now in Kingston. The next thing is Kingston. Why is it I'm in Kingston? For those of you who've been following me, you know that currently I'm supposed to be in Portland while I travel around the coastal parts of Jamaica while living in my van. You guys can see there's nothing in the van right now. Okay, so this video is future dated. You guys will learn more about it in another video, but what happened is I'm having a bit of a brake issue. So I came back to Kingston to have the brakes serviced, check the brake pads. It wasn't the brake pads, but we still changed it to something better. And now I'm actually going to pick up the part, which is a master cylinder. That's the part that I need to install on Monday. So in the interim, I'm gonna be taking you guys to somewhere pretty cool. Cool. I got exactly what I needed. So now we're gonna head off to make the next stop where I'm gonna tell you. We are going to be linking up with a subscriber today. Now, how did this come about? Well, first of all, the coincidence of me being in Kingston at this point in time, and I was just like, yo, I have some downtime. I wanna make some content in my free time. And I was supposed to link up with her for probably like over a year and a half. That just never worked out. Now, funny enough, the idea I had was for her to show me a street food spot that she knows, but unfortunately she said most of her ideas actually comes from the videos that she watched from me. So I'm like, damn, all right, cool. So I was put into a spot. Now fortunately, Ramiesh Kitchen has recently opened up, and I think a lot of persons who might have seen his content would have some level of interest to what does the food taste like, or what is the experience like. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna take her. She has no idea that this is where we're gonna be going today. And secondarily, the other restaurant that I had in mind is a place that I've never filmed before. I went there years ago, and funny enough, some subscribers came down from England a couple nights ago. We actually went out, we had dinner there. I didn't post that video, or I never made a video. That's just, you know, just hanging with you guys when I have the chance. And I love the experience at that new spot. But we're gonna go back to the old school stop, and I will film that and share that experience with you guys. So anyway, I'm gonna be waiting on her right now, and of course, as usual, ladies are usually late. It's like 25 minutes after a meetup time, but go figure. I'm gonna wait and then see, and let's see what this experience is gonna be like. All right, guys, she's about to be enter.
What's a terrible impression?
What?
I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Jeez.
Guys, I'm really happy she come out and she say it right away. Dine, it's alright. First question I'm gonna ask you, have a man?
Yes.
Okay, good. So for those who are about to ask or whatever, because I'm about to tell her that she's a very late comer.
Jesus.
And that's what I'm gonna say. But anyway, so that's out of it. Alright, the next thing, you know exactly where I go?
No.
She has no clue where we're going. Cool.
It's a surprise!
Alright, it's a surprise. So I'm gonna tell her where we're going. We're going to two places today.
Verbs.
Alright. And the first place, I don't think you've ever been to before, but I think it might interest you. We're gonna go down to Ramiesh Kitchen.
Oh really? Blue rice! Blue rice!
Bombat! I'm happy she
Blue rice!
talk about that. So blue rice. Cool.
And fish.
Blue rice and fish. Alright, cool. So now that you're here, tell us about yourself. I'll tell the people then, because I know some people are gonna be curious.
Jesus, be shy.
you shy?
Right.
Talking to them, yeah.
I don't know.
Alright, let's get into it. Profession.
Yeah.
People want to know, your profession. What exactly do you do?
So I'm a dietitian.
A dietitian.
Yes.
Sister studied that. Cool. Alright.
Dietitian.
So that means you love a belly.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, cool.
Do I follow what I should?
Alright,
No.
cool. And I guess you should know what a balanced meal should look like on a plate.
Yeah, what about vegetables?
What about well, you lost me right there. Alright, so we're gonna head down to Ramiesh Kitchen, and it's funny that you mentioned blue rice.
Right.
Yeah, I honestly I'm gonna be very real with you. Like, first of all, very proud of the guy. I think he's doing something that honestly it's a dream of mine, and sometimes you get very, how can I say, it's like scared, you know, taking on that challenge, and he's done it. So straight up, big up yourself, youth.
Alright.
But blue rice.
When I saw it first, I was like, blue rice? But then I heard the reviews, so I'm like, okay, I guess it's something definitely to try. I look forward to it, to be honest.
Cool.
Alright, so we're gonna head down to Ramiesh Kitchen. We're gonna go to the 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 Ramiesh Kitchen. We're
On the other hand, I think I watched a video and I think it's just food coloring in the rice, but I'll talk to him about it.
The rice, bro.
It's unusual. When I first saw blue rice, I was just like, yo, that's going to be like, what did he put in his rice to make it blue? Because me being me, I'm thinking it's gonna be like a herb or something like that. Now, a lot of people say, you know, it's crazy. I've seen like some really interesting comments on that. However, I think the guy is smart. It's like free marketing, because people are gonna say like, yo,
more people to come.
More people gonna come. And then secondly, anytime you open a box in front of your friends and they say blue rice, they're gonna know exactly
where it comes from,
who's the mad genius behind the blue rice. So yeah, so that's definitely gonna be that. Now the key thing that I've noticed myself as a content creator, you know, I've done a couple of videos on TikTok and they've all gone viral, and viral content is right? Viral content.
As a giant bloops.
Yeah, as a giant, because really the recipe for viral videos is be crazy or be creative or just have overall good content. And I think that has been the driving factor for his content, where he just does crazy things, it gets people to talk,
and it just spreads, share, and that's it.
Exactly, but how does that transition into food?
Especially when I saw the mint, what is it, mint roti?
Mint roti.
Mint roti. And which one was it? What's the festival again?
Banana festival. I think we can work with that. That's kind of almost like a fritters in a like way, if you think about it deep.
I'm not sure about the mint roti, but let's see.
Let us see. However, nonetheless, regardless of the food or whatever, I'm going there to show support. That's the first thing. Because, you know, I know him have a lot of followers and people think, yeah man, somebody else will go support him. No, more everybody, if you love his content, if you find it funny, if you find it creative, go there, buy a food, even if it's one time. If you love it, you love it. If you don't love it, then
that's it. At least you supported.
At least you supported his thing. Let's say excited.
Yeah. So excited.
So excited. Yeah, so we're in downtown Kingston. We use Google Maps. So some people are having a problem to find the spot, but hopefully now it has been updated and thing, and hope we find it in a breeze. People are here. We see people in the place. So you know, so the food must be good. Cha cha. Alright, smell of vision time. When I smell like fried chicken, man, I go like it's a pleasant smell. Like the fried chicken is a nice smell. I like good amount of people. I first never like to see a crowd at a restaurant, and there is a substantial amount of people. There's probably like about 10 people to be here, so that's cool. And the time is now, it is now 3:36, so we're excited. I'm hoping we get that fried chicken because it smells good. And I'm like, it smells really good. It smells really good. Wait. Whoop. Alright, so we're just gonna, like, my videos have always been like honest, so the wait time was somewhere like 25 minutes, and I think the main part of that is just the inefficiency of operation. That's what I would say. But it's a new business, it just started out, so you have to bear that in mind, and I have no problem waiting. No blue rice. Orange rice. So no blue rice, and this is things that I've kind of, you know, work on in terms of making sure that those signature things, like I'm here for the gimmick of that blue rice.
For the festival.
And
there's what is it?
No banana.
Banana festival.
No, there's no banana. There's regular festival. So there's that. So that can be worked on, because especially when the lunch hour comes in, need to be able to move quickly so he can make more money. Like the faster he can make money, better. However, we see support. There was at least about 10.
There's a wait.
There's a wait. You know, how long wait? 25 minutes? 25 minutes.
For orders to be taken. So we're sitting out wait for it. So we're gonna see how long that's gonna take.
Yeah, but young guy starting out the business and things, yeah, there can be nowhere else but up. So that's that. So we're waiting on the food. I got the pineapple fried chicken, because the fried chicken smelled really good, and you got the pork. Yeah, and the fish is done. But
oh yeah, and they said the rice was ready as well.
The rice was ready as well, so
let's see how long that will take now.
It's like 3 minutes to 4 now. They close at 5, so. But yeah, I'm willing to wait on greatness.
Hope I'm not disappointed. 3:36. It's fourth one.
You see, that's why it's great to have females along on food experiences because they have a different approach to stuff. So we've been here waiting for a minute. A couple of people just got through, but we are still waiting. Yeah.
No others. Right, going down.
All right, so what are you? That time.
1 hour later.
1 hour? Damn.
Yeah, 55 minutes to be exact.
All right, so time flew by. Which one we get?
This one is yours.
This one is yours.
Right.
All right, so like I mentioned before, we're going to somewhere else, so we're just showing our support. And I don't like wasting food, so whenever I get on too big, because we're gonna have something else afterwards. So we got the pineapple glazed chicken. So that's what it is. Unfortunately, like we mentioned, there was no blue rice. Kind of sucks, but yeah. Chicken looks like fried chicken. Smells pretty good.
Yeah.
And yeah.
I don't know how to feel about the presentation though.
You don't know how you feel about presentation?
That look better. Some more that look better.
Yeah, this
but
one
let's
does look
see.
good.
Oh,
All
that
right.
macaroni salad, that was really on the menu. That's yeah, but let's see what it tastes like. I'm gonna try that first.
Talk a little louder here.
Not spectacle. No?
It's a macaroni salad. I'm getting more sweet from it than anything else.
Moving right along. I'm going to say about that one day.
All right, fried chicken.
The pork isn't bad. It's not bad at all. Might taste like a flavoring. Pascal on time. Portions. I'm not sure. Wait, we never order rice?
I don't even know, but this fried chicken, but one piece of fried chicken.
Oh, we don't get no rice. There's no rice in the box.
We never order rice.
Yeah, but there's rice on the chicken, so I'm assuming it was taken.
I don't even know, but this fried chicken,
You want to taste a piece of the pork, even though there's nothing left.
sure.
What is left? There's something left?
You get one piece.
I feel like, is it, you know, like what's left? Alright.
But not gonna lie, this is not an insult. 'Cause some people think that the word cook shop means a bad thing, but I love fried chicken that is cook shop style fried chicken. Once you get that proper, and this fried chicken is hitting, bro. Like the flavor, the pineapple, I really love the pineapple on it. The crispiness on it is good. The juiciness from it is I love that fried chicken. This fried chicken is really good.
I like the roti. It's doing something. What is supposed to be mint?
No, it's mint.
No, it's just roti.
It's the fried chicken for me. I like it.
I'm going to try that shortly. But the roti, not bad.
Alright, on to the roti.
Yeah, take long. Yeah, take long.
I'm trying to taste the milk.
There's none. It's just normal, regular roti.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
Alright.
regular roti. But it's okay.
I I like a good roti. Not necessarily the style of roti that I like, but it's a good roti. I mean,
Yeah, but that's
it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all.
it's doing what it should.
Fried chicken?
I prefer it was hot though.
Hot?
Hotter.
Hotter?
I prefer it to be hot. But not bad. Yeah, but is there anything else to taste in the plate? I know plantain taste.
Pork. Let's see. I love that fried chicken.
The plantain isn't really plantain in, is that a word?
What is it? It's not sweet?
Not it for me. It just, no. But the chicken, the chicken takes it.
Pork is not bad either, for me. It's tender. It's tender. It's definitely a stew pork. When you bite into it, you feel them juices coming out. I get a bit of fattiness as well. I'm actually quite surprised. Like the pork is, yeah, the piece that I got is good. You want me to try this? Thank you.
Matthias with the onion skeleton and that's good too.
And you can see that from the tennis I'm talking about. You can see that the separation of those there, it pulled off quite easily from the bone a while ago. It is tender. The pork nut, nice and soft.
It falls right off of the bone literally.
Yeah, falls off the bone. Falls right off the bone. So the proteins, yeah, we're not gonna lie.
But the starch, not the best.
Cause no mint. I'm quite glad there's no mint in this.
I wonder what that is with the mint in it actually.
I wouldn't want to know. I'm gonna be honest with you. In culinary, the only thing I know people mix mint with usually is lamb, and even lamb with mint sauce. I think it's ridiculous. People rave about it.
Mint tea. Ginger mint tea, right.
But
Fried chicken.
fried chicken
Can't stress that again.
is good. It's a nice fried chicken.
Yeah. I enjoy the roti though.
I am actually. No jokes. I am. I prefer a roti that has that crispy outside kind of friedish feel and that doughiness as well. But this one is mostly doughy, but it's good. Like I can't complain.
I got a lot of gravy in my plate with the pork, and the roti is fully immersed, so it makes it kind of soggy. Yeah, so I'm not so sure. There's a gravy in there, lots of oil.
Okay.
Oh, there was beans in the pork. That's pork and bean.
You don't like the pan?
No. You like it? It's not plantain.
You probably don't like the cut of it. It's too big.
It's not bad doing about.
It's a sweet plantain. It's a thicker cut, basically. Yeah, I don't know what else you could do to plantain, really. I mean,
Slice and fry.
yeah. So, but I get you in terms of presentation wise.
It wasn't the best.
The roti was sopping up too much in the pork.
Right.
I think the only thing that we probably could compensate for that is buying a bigger size of dish. So that could compensate for that. But like I said, we're gonna go somewhere else as well. For me, I just want to show some support. Whenever I see people doing good things, even if it's one time, definitely do that.
Never bad.
Would I come back here? If I'm in the area, again, support-wise, yes. This fried chicken is, yeah.
It's a do what it's supposed to.
It's a do what it's supposed
So I
to.
probably try the fried chicken and rice next time.
But not blue rice, rice and peas.
Put on a there, so. Or orange rice, as he said. But then he said he would have gotten orange rice or the lady at the front, but so we ended up not getting any rice at all. So I actually didn't give any reason for that. But I guess because we're not fussy, we're not creating a storm about it. But I think, that is a little rice. If you order rice, you expect rice. You don't expect macaroni salad.
Look at the pork.
I expect macaroni salad. But yeah, it's done basically. Never take too long. You full of belly?
Overall, I think his fans and his supporters will come here
Yeah.
and really, I think, enjoy the experience. Hold on, I'm done here.
People still are coming. I know it's supposed to be closing in 22 minutes and the crowd is still coming. And a while ago he was apologizing that he doesn't have certain things anymore, so I'm not sure how that's going to work.
Good points. I think in terms of the experience-wise, definitely customer service, not on his part, but whoever was out front, just to interact and engage. Because as content creators, that's what we bring. We bring vibes. What yo, them type of thing there. We kind of want that, want a little experience and thing. Like I said, it's a new business, so we come here. Some things are, done or run out or whatever. So once that gets improved, then I see we can definitely do anything. But back to what I was saying, would I like? I have to come down here. Downtown is kind of far for me, to be honest. I love the place called Moby. Is that place? Yeah, that place is a good place, and they make really good food. And it's kind of hard for me to come this far out. But for the crowd that's down here, at work here and stuff,
It works for them.
give it a try. Definitely give it a try, and enjoy the experience.
Trying to get orange rice, I just we never get orange rice. Of course, because we just said it here, we're so enthused.
Because I wanted the blue, like as much as Mr. The blue rice kind of weird. When you bring that creative stuff, that's what I want to see. And I was kind of disappointed that blue rice was not available. So
I was looking forward to seeing some rice in my plate, though.
what, no rice at all.
No rice at all.
Oh, and the pasta, the pasta for me.
It not make it, it not reach it.
Yeah.
It's a potential, but it not reach it.
But overall, I love this fried chicken. Like, this fried chicken slaps, bro.
Nothing to leave.
Whatever you put in this fried chicken, drop it in the comments, bro. Fried chicken is good. It's good.
I would have had the roti, but as I said, it's fully immersed in the oil, so
And the pork,
not
watch
have
out.
the same.
Watch out.
Literally. No pork no left, that's it. You don't. I'm left never. You don't. So just a roti.
I think that's it for me.
Yeah, we're not doing this left.
Alright, so we're going to head off and probably go by the pier or something and like just have some ice cream and chill a little bit before we go out and have some food. Now, right now I'm looking at a shop space. People don't know, like, I've always myself wanted to own a restaurant, and that's why I say I'm so proud of him, because a lot of persons have this dream, have this desire, but they're so afraid, like myself, I remember once somebody offered me, they said like about, I think it was like $30,000 to invest in opening a restaurant with me, and honestly I turned it down because why? I might have been one of the three S's, either stupid, smart, or scared. either. And the main reason behind it is that I know a restaurant, it takes a lot. $30,000 might seem like a lot of money, but when you look into how you want it to come out, the fluency of the business is just so much. So that's the issue. However, the lady saw this place and said to me, say, oh, if you want to rent it, these places are up for grabs. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Drop it in the comments if you would love one day potentially for me to open a restaurant. Drop it in the comments, and yeah, I will definitely do it one day. Guys, the property where this place is actually quite nice. There's like a whole balcony out here. You can just look off in a downtown. Yo, people need to invest in a downtown. Big up again to the youth doing him thing, because he has invested in Jamaica. He is invested in downtown Kingston. It's so strange that Jamaica's downtown is actually considered one of the poorer parts, because downtowns everywhere else in the world is considered to be like the business district where a lot of money is being made. So yeah, up here is quite nice. Like the chairs, right? How is it? It's good?
That's cool.
Right? I feel like me kind of want to go city. Facts.
you know. Yeah.
It's nice one. What's
Where
up?
do you business again?
Yeah, her business is called Mighty Spice, so come check it out. That's more like Jamaican cuisine, yeah?
Definitely.
Vibes.
We have some very unique flavored jerks as well. I'm sure you have never tasted mango jerk.
Sure.
And it's, wow, mango jerk, tamarind jerk, coffee jerk. But
Step one, eh? Oh, definitely. So, Miss Mighty has so many different jerk flavors. We're here, plum, what else? Only the tamarind,
Yes.
like so many different jerk flavors, and she was very open towards me starting a business and putting in the same food court, because what people don't know about food courts is food courts survive best together. Because what happens is when one customer, for example, goes to like a Ramiesh Kitchen and they see another restaurant, they want to try that the next time. So it works very well in unison. It's not really a separatist type of thing. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, downtown Kingston, yeah, it feel nice.
It's homely.
It feels very homely. You see me? Again, shout out to the people them that are starting the businesses and putting it out there and thing. And make me watch the road, because I can't manage a clap down the other day. Downtown Kingston, again. Waterfront. And this, I probably haven't been down this side probably like at least 2 years now.
I just realized this is where the hotel is, so that's a while. I'm staying here a while.
Yeah, it's funny enough, like a subscriber friend of mine, we went out to dinner one night, and he said that he came there and never really did a rock with it. So
Oh yeah, a rock.
yeah. So if end up they go AC hotel and thing. Big up to you, King man, you don't know the things that already. So yeah, downtown Kingston. I go hold some ice cream. Guys, my mind just got blown. Did you know that Devon House ice cream is not called Devon House ice cream? The real name is Scoop Limited. The only reason why it's called Devon House is because where it's at. That one location is Devon House. But bro, I learned something today. Amazing stuff, bro. Wow.
Big up Devon House.
All the time.
All the time, the best ice cream in the world.
In the world. Fact. When our tongue gets tired.
Yeah, really and truly. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
On the rate Alright, so don't watch me. So a big shout out to the Devon House here. I find that the customer service was really good. They were very fun.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I tell people all the time, like when you work at an ice cream shop, you sell happiness. Like a scoop of ice cream. And I am a big ice cream fan. I was at the Devon House the other day in Port Antonio, and the people there were like just so. I tried to crack jokes, I tried to like have fun with them, and they were just like. I was like, damn. Yeah, so this one is really nice.
From the security down. From the security.
Very nice, very open. And here it's nice because it has development. So the development is starting from here and it's going up to Ramiesh Kitchen as well, and you know, they just sell over there, everybody doing make a thing, you know, we hope to have more. Hopefully one day I could be a part of that. I mean, who knows? Yeah man, I hope so too. I hope so too. So we're gonna chill for a little bit. Are you have any idea where we're going to go?
No, you have to give me a clue.
It start with M.
M?
Mm-hmm.
Not vague. Not vague.
Okay.
Give me something else.
The name of the restaurant literally only has a letter in there. Everything else is a number.
M10.
Uh-huh.
No!
You been there before?
The one down Vineyard.
You been there that one?
Yes.
Oh God.
But a new one just opened.
You want to go that one there?
On Redlands Road.
You want to go that one there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to the more uptown one. I went there the other night and it was really good.
For the opening?
It wasn't for the opening, it was just, I don't know.
Oh.
Okay, good. We can go to the other one. Vibes.
You know where you ever go on Our restaurant, Julie Munger restaurant. Our next spot, Hub.
Hub. I've never been here, but I think I heard about it before. It's good.
The fritters.
Nice.
The fritters. And the tartar sauce, and that's what they call it with it.
Nice.
You know, I would have run around and go buy 6 fritters and just squat. I think the only thing down there is that they're not fixing it up.
Nice.
They're just allowing it to stay around down, and I don't know why.
I don't know why business always do that. It's kind of crazy.
But the price point, alright, I queue this now. Oh, this
Some tired.
And I run down for and something. That ain't me, man. Napkin them I got done. I'll have the condo. But right, they don't fix up around there. But around there has potential. The pub, yeah.
Alright, so we just had our ice cream just now, chat for a little bit and such. And how you rate downtown? Like, what's the vibe?
I like it. It feels different. I like the upgrade.
Yeah, it's pretty good. So we're going.
It feels safe-ish.
It feels safe?
Yeah.
So we're going to head on the road and then decide what version of this restaurant we're going to be going to. And we chose the retro. The retro, the Vineyard Town one. This one is more like, what is it, like more like a hideaway.
Yeah.
You see me? So if you have a little spooky and I want nobody know because I be a proud one, something Mr. Rona saying and nobody know a joke. But it's that kind of spot and it's more my vibe. It's that rustic type of modern look. So I really mess with that. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're here and a thing to point out is that when you come here the menu changes every single day. So there's a different menu set every day, which I quite like. I like the fluidity of that. For example, Friday manish water, Saturday red teas, pigtail, Sunday fish tea. I mean it gets more detail than that, but you guys get the vibe. I'm not hungry right now. Hungry, so
We're looking for chicken still.
yeah, still left on way.
Still stuck.
So we're gonna have some drinks, chat a little bit, you know, have a little vibe, and then yeah, when the food time comes, So that's gonna be the vibe. But it's the first time we're hanging out, yeah? The very first time, probably the first time hanging out with a content creator.
And you don't feel like it.
Yeah, right? Yeah, fact. You just feel like, yeah, it's kind of cool. So that's the vibe. So anyway, we're gonna catch up a little bit more, and then we'll order. Vibes. Yeah, smell the alcohol.
Smell the alcohol.
Is that a good thing?
It's a bit of sweet feeling.
Alright, so my drink of it's been a long time since I've made content like this, going to like these type of restaurants and bars or whatever the case is, but my preferred drink when I go out is, if you're gonna buy me a drink, get me a whiskey sour or a New York sour or an America sour. Yeah, sour things are sweet, people.
And it's Daiquiri, the national beverage. Not bad.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Man, it's not too sweet and not too fresh. And the alcohol now show me over the seat.
Even though you were smelling it from a mile away.
Yeah man, it's alright.
My friend don't know no songs. I'm just here trying to figure out who sings this song.
And the next.
You can do that game, man. You're not going. Alright, so we got surprisingly we're not that hungry. But we got this here, which is just some, I can say, it's like barbecue wings with fries.
They look good. I'm not smell it. Do you smell it?
Not really. And we got fritters.
Stamp and go.
Stamp and go, exactly. Here, if you come to Jamaica, you want like your oxtail and your pigtail and stuff. Yeah. What we ordered is not a proper representation of, you know, what you get here, but it's just what we feel for. And I'm now going to buy something for this for a video. I'm going to buy it because I want to eat it. You know, so that's been the vibe. How's the night going now in terms of like being here?
You know, but that's peaceful. Nobody not disturbed me.
She wants to go to bed.
It's bedtime.
This is.
It is bedtime. But let's see how it tastes. My mind is open. Let's see. I'm my palate is clear from all the
Go on.
excitements earlier. So you want to answer because it's highly. Thank you.
I get so high when I'm around you, baby.
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot.
I get so high. This is barbecuing. Pray tell.
It's okay. There's nothing spectacular about it. The tartar sauce is okay. It's good. But I don't taste no saltfish. But me I go and eat. I can see all this though. You put flour.
Go and eat.
That there's no-
Eat the whole life.
Like there's nothing in it. Little scallion, little onion, little garlic. How much time I said this from the video start? Well, barbecue, it's a barbecue. You know, ease up all now. Barbecue.
Nice, right?
I'm draw closer. And hot. And it's a drip. Wow.
It's drippy, it's sticky, sweet, hot.
A barbecue. No complaints about that one.
Good.
See that, I pick it. I pick it? I pick it?
The same time I'm not active on interview pick. Who's in this?
It's Neo.
This song? The song? Why wouldn't you for that?
Nothing, I have nothing. Now Neo for you. Give me a Neo and Usher vibe. But a Neo.
I'm gonna put a song over this song, so it might be a little bit tricky, but if you guys in the comments can tell what song it is, even though I threw a song over it, big up on yourself. She said, Neo. Wow.
Nothing for you. And Neo. How was it?
Let me drop it again. What I want to live.
Not just much of the song.
Alright guys, so we ended the day pretty good. Of course the highlight was going to Ramiesh Kitchen. You know, overall reviews, that fried chicken was really good, really enjoyed it. I don't know what was in it. Probably MSG. Yeah. That just has a different flavor.
Kick.
Yeah, it just has that kick. However, yeah, good experience. Of course, there can always be you know, room for improvement and thing. Here, we never really got the full-on experience, like I mentioned before, like the oxtail and the real Jamaican things that they are known for. But the wings have been, the wings were really good. Fritters, she's not sure about it.
Sure, but you know.
It was alright, I think so. It was good. And hopefully we can do another vibe. You see me? Yeah, for me it's super important. Like I call the channel name Stuck on an Island. The whole concept is always meeting cool people, you know, and if it's people like you guys who watch the content, you know, if you come to Jamaica and I have some free time, like I will be quite comfortable with just hanging out with you guys and, you know, having a good vibe. Anyway, we're gonna end the night, and I hope to see you guys on the next video where we're gonna be showcasing Portland street food around Jamaica. Remember 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the lead. Do you know? Do you?
And you're always smiling. I go.
Is welcome back to Stuck on Another, where I'm stuck with you, and we're always smiling.
Uh-huh. That's the beginning.
That's the beginning.
That's the end.
And remember 3 things:
Love.
nature, and adaptation. And always remember,
Keep the link.
yeah.